Ole, 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 ole. I love corn, and this Mexican street corn is the ultimate treat. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. Today we're going to make a really simple recipe. This corn is grilled and then it's smothered in a lime mayo, and it's sprinkled with ancho and chipotle chili, and it's finished off with a Mexican salty cheese. This is the ultimate treat. Before I go any further and show you how to make this super easy recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon, that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. This time of year is laden with corn. I have 6 gorgeous ears of corn here, and they're all harvested in fields near me. Most people just like to pull off the husks and discard them, but not me. Peel back the husks and clean away all of the silk thread that surround the niblets. Using some regular kitchen twine, I'm just going to tie back the husks, exposing the corn. In some salted boiling water, I'm just going to cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will keep rotating them to ensure that all the niblets are cooked. Try to cook them upright so you don't get the husks wet. Once done, I'm just going to remove them and get them onto my hot grill so they can char. Make sure the husks stay clear of the flame, and just rotate these until we have a nice light char on all sides. Once done, I'm just going to bring them indoors and smear them with some lime mayonnaise. This is just a tablespoon of mayonnaise mixed together with a squeeze of lime juice. I'm also going to add some finely grated hard salty cheese. Cotija is typical, but use any kind of hard salty cheese that you can find. You can use as much cheese as you like, but I'm just using about half a cup. Finally, I'm going to sprinkle on a blend of ancho and chipotle powders together with salt and pepper. I just mix this all together and I'm going to sprinkle it over the corn. And last but not least, I'm going to garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. This Mexican street corn is messy but delicious and a real treat in the summer. And the tied back husks make a great handle to hold all that goodness. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Mexican street corn. Ole! Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload a ton of videos every week. Share my channel and my videos with your family and friends, and do ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.